Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today I am bringing you to an unboxing. As you can see, a pretty large unboxing. I've actually been holding on to my items for about 3 weeks now, maybe even longer than that. So we've got week 8, 9 and 10, or weeks 8, 9 and 10 from this season. We then have a Uniqlo piece there, and the rest is all Supreme. So yeah, in the wise words of Philip DeFranco, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so let's start off with stickers, then I'll get this out of the way in a second. Obviously, the sticker says what it says. They're from Famous Grail. Vivian Frank was doing a sale on his website, and yeah, some stickers were like £2 or £3 each from like 4 or 5, so I just thought, why not pick up a couple of them? It's got an item description. Since I don't remember the actual sticker names, this makes it a lot easier for me. They're showing me 4 stickers, so yeah. So to kick things off, we have the Supreme Mean sticker, which I will, there you go. Then got his business card, but keep that out of my way. We've then got the Shaolin Temple sticker. I thought it was a really cool piece, or really cool just graphic, the sticker, so that's why I got it. I'm shaking like hell. We've then got the Wilfred Limonius. I can't pronounce the name to this thing ever. I always get it wrong, but it's the buy off the bar sticker. Again, I thought it was cool, so I went for it. It's not gonna focus, oh well. You can Google it if you want to. Last one was the Digi sticker. Again, I had the Skateboard Deck. I think it's just a cool like piece, so yeah, that's that. So stickers done. Let's move these things to the side and let's open this up. Because yeah, I forgot to say, also obviously we've got a piece that is 18 years old that I'm unboxing, which will go last because I need to be wearing it today when I go in about 25 minutes time. I need to be out and going, so yeah, might be a photo of that on Instagram, you never know. So I really do hate having to open these, like genuinely. The boxes are the biggest pain in the world to open. Didn't sound too good then. Oh well. Never cut towards yourself. Okay, so this is obviously my week 10 item, which I've got it the wrong way round, which is the Skateboard Deck. I found the yellow graphic to be just the better one as an overall, or just like a general thing. Is there a massive light? There's a massive light reflection going on right now. Brilliant. I'll move the I'll move over to the right. Oh, come on. So yeah, Skateboard Deck. Obviously I ordered the yellow one. I just like the yellow one more than the red colorway that they had. That looks like a tear in the wrap. Yeah, it is. Nice one. But yeah, I liked this Sekitani, or in the yellow, compared to the other colorway. I mean, I find that to be cool. I really wish I knew what this said, but I don't. But yeah, I just find it cool. I'm gonna cover my hand over the bottom piece, but yeah, I just like this one more. I really like the vividness to the sort of pink red color, but I just liked the graphic on this piece more. And there is a sticker pack as well, which includes 2 or 3 stickers, so that's cool. Okay, next up, I'm just going through whatever's in the pile and just opening it. So this is a Uniqlo piece. I don't know whether it will fit or not, but I ordered it anyway. It is way above my size, but their sizing wasn't anything crazy. So this is a Mickey Mouse piece that says, "Here comes the mouse known around the world." So yeah. It's a crew neck, and I just thought it looked pretty cool. So I ordered it, and yeah, that's literally it. It was on offer, so you know, that's also a reason as to why. This person literally has my address like everywhere, so I'm gonna cover it with like kitchen roll, grab some scissors. I don't remember a couple of the pieces that I've ordered, but I know that I've ordered them. So yeah, this will be a surprise to me too when I see some of the items in here. But yeah, Disney, you know, I don't know really. I just bought it on an impulse, to be honest, because I saw that it was on offer and I just thought it was cool. So the next piece. Oh, okay, this piece is a Supreme White Castle tee in medium. I'm actually going to be trading this with my brother. If he's watching this, then, you know, I'd like the white Castle because this is a medium and I'm a large, and he has the White Castle tee, and I saw this up and he tried to get it, but in the end I got it, and I said I would trade for his one if I got it for a fair price. So yeah, I really like the White Castle like range of pieces, especially the beanie, mainly all of the white colorways, but yeah, this is just, again, a really cool piece, and personally I think that it was a good collaboration, but obviously a lot of people in the EU don't know about it because White Castle is American. It's got a lot of hairs on it, but oh well. But yeah, there is that. That is another piece. It was for a decent price, so compared to what the retail sort of pricing is for a premium tee, it was a decent or like fair price. So, like I said, I'm just going to go through whatever is in front of me. So yeah, this is up next, which is actually now like an item that people want, I think, quite a lot. That light has come back. Oh my god, seriously. I actually saw one of these in reverse, like it was completely reversed, and people said it's rare because of that. We get basic box logo sticker, basic bag, and here it is. Quite actually weighs a little bit, or weighs a bit more than I was expecting. So here, cool, it's actually massive, jeez. Okay, so here is the Supreme Hot Wheels collaboration piece. It is going to go into a container or a bag. Like, do I have to sit something there? It is going to go into a container or bag like my Kermit Medicom, and I'm just going to keep it safe. But yeah, there it is. I have not bought a Hot Wheels in so long, it is ridiculous. So yeah, there it is. So I'm happy about getting that, to be honest. I know some people didn't get it, and yeah, I'm really happy now that I've got it like in hand and I can see it, sort of thing. Right, next up, next bag that is next, there's actually a lot more than I thought to unbox. Right, I'm going to shuffle it down and just snip the top off. I actually don't remember a couple of these pieces, so, because there's more here than what I was expecting, so yeah. This should be another Depop sort of steel or piece. It is a size large in a football top with massive embroidery on the back, as you can see, literally like massive embroidery. I believe it's satin or something, the material, which isn't really my sort of material now that I'm feeling it. It's definitely not my sort of piece. I don't really know why I picked it up. I just sort of saw it and got it, and that's that. Yeah, I might sell this piece, to be honest, but I mean the embroidery's nice, but I don't know whether it needs a wash or something because there's a weird feeling coming off of it. So yeah, it might just need a wash, but yeah, there is another Supreme piece, I suppose. I don't actually know when this one came out, but yeah, it's just another piece to the collection. So we have another one. I genuinely, at this point, I know what one of these pieces like is, or what it is, but I actually haven't a clue as to what's in this bag. I really don't know. My memory is terrible when it comes to Supreme. Okay, so it's a T at least. Oh, okay, so this is a Facebook steel sort of piece, which is the Menace to Society T. So yeah, I saw it and I just thought it was a decent price, so why not in the end, you know? Why not just pick it up? I'm going to have to do a lot of folding later, but yeah, there is another piece. Apologies for the lighting during this video because it has just been actually like just terrible. This piece is obviously Supreme, which is, once I open it, I probably won't be keeping this, I probably will be selling it, but this is the week 8 piece, I believe it is. Okay, so we've got a sticker pack at least, which is cool. This is the utility bag, or the utility pouch in the camo colorway. I think currently if you want to buy it on StockX, it's like £75 or something. So I'm not really looking to get that, but I'll probably sell it for like £60 or something like that. But yeah, there it is. I mean, the colorway's cool and everything, but I'm not a pouch person. But yeah, I've still got it, so at least it's another piece to the collection and it can sit up there. Now, this piece coming up right here is going to be my oldest Supreme piece ever to have purchased. Currently, I believe Kermit and a couple of other pieces are around my sort of oldest, which is about 10 or 11 years. But this piece is going to be the oldest piece that I will own, which is 18 years old. It came out in 2001. I saw the person say on Facebook, who I'm friends with, that they're going to be listing a load of stuff, and I was scrolling through a list, I saw it and I was like, I've got to message them and ask for the condition and the price and everything. And yeah, I've been wanting a cool sort of crew neck for a while. I know I've got the box logo, but I've been wanting like just a crew neck to wear that I wouldn't be massively worried about and that can be washed and will have no sort of issues overall, which is this piece right here. So this is this is the Superman crew neck. Or you could say it's like the Supreme version of the Superman logo. Yeah, so this piece is obviously 18 years old, so it might need a wash or so, but it should be perfectly fine. And there is the main attraction to it. That is sick. I definitely think that it will need a wash or two. Because he said the condition was about 8.5 out of 10. Afterwards he said, you know, it was about a little bit lower than that because he had light on it. It looks a little bit less than that, so it will definitely need a wash. But yeah, this is the piece because the top has some sort of moss or something to it or something going on. So I will definitely be giving it a good wash and clean in order to be able to wear it. But yeah, there it is. It has got a lot more problems, I guess, than I can see in the photos. But oh well, I was wanting to be wearing this today, but the moss sort of issue or condition problem that it's got with it, I will leave it be and wear something else instead. But nevertheless, it is still a great piece. So yeah, that is going to cover this unboxing. I unboxed like 7 things, 8 things, I don't even know at this point. I might be selling a couple of them for sure, but yeah, I'm happy. I mean, I haven't done unboxing in a while and I've held on to everything. So yeah, as normal, comment down below whether you've picked anything up recently or whether you've done any unboxings or anything and what you've got, whether it's from Supreme being this season or whether you picked up past pieces. And yeah, that is going to cover the video. Thank you for watching and I will see you all next time. Peace. Ooh, that does not smell good at all. Oh, that's a nasty smell. That is a nasty smell coming from this.